So the exercise for this week, if you're taking the Automating GIS course, so we have a common repository for both of the classes. But then in here, I think this link now works because Henka fixed it. There we go. No, it's Henrik Tenkanen. So we have actually within the same repository, you have either the pandas exercise or NumPy exercise. Feel free to do the both, but you don't have to. You can only go into the pandas directory and then work through the problems from there. So problem number 4 is optional. Do it if you want challenge, but otherwise, same stuff as previously. Okay, so thank you. If you have any questions, we're here also now after the lecture.